Hey guys, do you have an old vehicle with huge gaping holes in the exhaust, kind of like this? And you don't have money to get it professionally fixed? Stand by, I got a tip for you. It involves screen repair tape and JB Weld. First, we're going to get a length of this screen repair tape and glob a bunch of JB Weld or metal repair, the knockoff brand, all over it. So here's our first length. See where we're going with this? I'll get another one. And we are just going to glob JB Weld all over it. This stuff sucks getting on your skin. And we're going to get all of it and probably use the second one. I'll start with that. All right, first one. Yep, nice and dirty. It's not going to be pretty. Because the exhaust ain't pretty. Just trying not to get that exhaust leaking out all these different freaking holes. And it's a 1994 pickup, so not the prettiest vehicle ever. But I still like it. So I'll hurry up, get this on there before it sets. Alright, stand by. And FYI, the shield, the goggles, no matter what you do, you're definitely getting rust in your eyeballs if you're working on these old vehicles. So we're just going to slap it over these holes. Can be very liberal with the amount of JB Weld you use, like Tim Waltz liberal. I'm going to put one more little patch right there. Last little patch right there. I almost forgot about something super important. Stainless steel zip ties. So this is what we're working with, right? Hideous, but it's going to get the job done. Those stainless steel zip ties, they wouldn't fit the piece of equipment that tightens it and pops off the end of the stainless steel zip tie, so I had to use a pair of dikes to kind of tug on the ends and tighten them. But otherwise, I'm going to pull this back into place and just put this around it. I'll show you that right now. This clamp is just holding this heat shield in place. Well, with the way the economy is these days, I have to do everything myself, if you know what I mean. There we go. One might call this the ghetto repair job. She's a beaut clock. And then over here, on another pinhole, so I patched that up and zip tied it shut with some stainless steel zip ties. So that's all, folks. That's it. Some stainless steel zip ties and a tool to clamp it off. And if that doesn't work because the exhaust is too big, I just used a pair of dikes and kind of twisted the ends. Some screen repair tape and some metal repair or JB Weld, whatever. Anyway, this is just a quick repair DIY for broke fools like myself. Hope this helped you guys. On to the next one. Peace.